Likewise, when somebody pulls you back, it does not work to step away. If I get Steve to turn around and he's going to grab my shoulders here, and the idea is if he wants to pull me back, that's the direction I'm going to be going. I haven't had a precursor. I haven't got any prior information to this. So when he grabs, if I try and go that way, I'm already too late. Yeah, my balance is gone, and actually going that way adds to Steve's technique. So what I've got to remember is that as he pulls me back, is I need to turn into it. And so we can start to see that the paradigm is the same as we see with that Pinan Shodan movement. So if I'm here and I'm walking forward, in here, I'm going to come in, I'm going to turn in with the elbow. So I'm going to hit the elbow of the forearm. This hand's up because I don't know what I'm turning into. Okay? So then I can come in, I can hit into the body here. I can hit through with that hammer fist again. And we've got knees and we've got everything else we can play with. Okay? So if we bring Steve round so you can see the movement, the dynamic from the other side. And again, you can practice this off both sides. The kata shows you to do it off both sides. We're going to walk through it quite slowly here. So as he brings me back in, remember he's trying to bring me in to strangle, choke, or throw me. I want to think hit here, hit here, hit here, and then I've got all sorts of possibilities for finishing. Okay? Now we have to bring the arms up. Okay? What I don't want to do, and might be able to show this on the other side again. Remember that this is going to go wrong. Okay, and remember, we said we're trying to do a blooper reel of all the things that really go wrong later on. But so when we come in, I'm not trying to hit into the arm. This is weak. Okay, so from here, actually, Steve's got a much better position than I have. Okay, but remember, if he's trying to pull you in, his arms will bend. So I want to come up over the top of them. Okay, hit, hit, continually moving into the target line. Okay, so what I want you to take away from that is if they pull you back, you go back. Don't try and resist. Don't try and go the opposite way. You accelerate in the direction they're trying to take you. That helps break their posture, break their technique, break their balance, and allows me to move into that space. Okay? You cannot, in my opinion, I have to qualify it with that. In my opinion, you cannot step forwards. If Steve's intent is to pull me back, that's going to happen before I get any motion forwards. So therefore, I have to train to go with that motion. Okay?